हाँ बेटा।
सर लेकिन
व्हाट?
अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट 3 का प्रोसीजर में सिर्फ 3 लिखा है, आपको चौथा लिखाना था शायद।
No, sir.
Okay,
Six.
okay, okay, okay.
Sir,
So
you
means we
write
have to write the whole procedure.
Sir, we write
Yes,
whole
yes,
procedure 6 or 6 point. Whole.
Okay, means we have done the whole procedure.
Sir,
So
we
can you
do
repeat?
six.
Can you do the revise that point, beta?
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay, chalo start.
Sir, only procedure or full experiment?
Wall experiment.
Sir, procedure we do.
What procedure? You have to explain. You have to read. You have to do the revision of that wall practical. Yes, Rakhi. Rakhi Basan.
yes, sir.
Okay, so after Hassan, you have to repeat that procedure point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, better now, Hassan. Start.
Yes, procedure. First first point. Take the circular piece of food. We have to take first a circle piece of food. Then second point. Place a screen on one side of the wooden piece or position the wooden piece in front of a wall. Then we have to take a screen.
What?
So second point, place a screen
What
on.
better, Hassan?
Sir, my voice is not coming.
Start karo Hassan. Chal.
Yes. First point, procedure. First point, take the circular piece of food. We have to take circle piece of wood. Second point, place a screen on one side of the wooden piece or position the wooden piece in front of a wall. You have to take screen of on one side of the wooden piece or position the wooden piece in front of a wall. Third point. Throw light on the wooden piece with the help of a torch. The surface of the wooden piece must be parallel to the surface on the screen wall. We have to throw the light in wooden piece with the help of torch. Then the surface of wood piece must be parallel to the surface on the screen or wall. Fourth point. What do you find on the screen? Do you see a dark patch? Is the light from the torch reaching on every
Beta,
part
your
of
voice is
the.
too much slow.
Oh, sir, one.
Yes, beta, continue. You are reading properly, but your voice is too much slow.
So now it is proper.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Fourth point. What do you find on the screen? Do you see a dark patch? Is the light from the torch reaching reaching on every part of the screen? If not, then on which area is the light getting blocked and what is blocking the light? Is there any shape being formed on the screen? Fifth point. Now switch off the lights. Can you still see the dark patch on the screen? Point 6. Now switch on the torch but remove the screen. Sir,
Yes, then.
this much only you write. You wrote. Sir, this much.
What better, Rakib? Sorry, Hassan.
Sir, 6 point only
Good
we write.
morning, sir.
Last point
Okay,
is
beta.
now switch off the
Okay.
torch
So
and
after 6 point, we have to write the procedure. Okay.
yes.
Yes, Rakib. Now, you have to revise the wall experiment. Yes, you have to read that wall experiment.
Read, sir. Okay. Experiment 3. Aim. Study how shadows are formed. Apparatus. A torch, a circular piece of wood, a sheet of butter paper, a transparent glass sheet, and a white screen. Procedure. Number 1. Take the circular piece of wood. Number 2. Place a screen on one side of the wooden piece or position the wooden piece in front of a wall. Number 3. Throw light on the wooden piece with the help of a torch. The surface of the wooden piece must be parallel to the surface of the screen wall. सर मैंने इतना लिखा, बाकी का लिखने का बाकी है। अभी अब 3 लिखे।
Okay. Now who is going to be read further? Yes, who is going to be read? Okay, now who is going to be read? Tell me, beta.
So can I read Nukiragi version?
Huh?
Can I read?
Yes, beta.
Okay, sir.
Yes, beta. Do.
सर मैं लेकिन अभी अभी तो मैंने किया।
हैं?
अभी अभी तो मैंने रीड किया सर।
अरे नहीं, मैं तुझे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अरमान।
यस सर।
Arman, and then after Ayaz Vidya. Ayaz, Ayaz, are you there, beta? Yes, so now start. Then after Ahad is also read. Jolo, Safiq, you have beta that experiment? Shafiq, beta, you have that experiment? Shafiq, you have? Shafiq, I'm asking to you, you don't have any experiment, huh, beta? Why?
सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट है।
So, so why you are not read? Tell me why you don't how to not read the experiment. एक्सपेरिमेंट थ्री मैंने शेडो वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट करवाया है ना राखी। चलो मैं फर्दर ही लिखवा रहा हूँ बेटा। ओके चलो नोट डाउन द फर्दर। कहाँ तक पहुंचे थे हम लोग?
सर 2 मिनट
सर
हैं?
इसमें एक्सपेरिमेंट में
हाँ विच पॉइंट? चलो विच पॉइंट? कौन सा पॉइंट? चलो
मैंने
ना।
मैंने 6
ओके
पॉइंट तक लिखा है।
ओके तूने 6 पॉइंट तक लिखा है। मीन्स मैंने 6 पॉइंट तक ही लिखा है।
पर सर रागिब ने
चलो ना।
थर्ड पॉइंट तक ही लिखा
Okay,
है।
so I'm presenting that. First of all, who is going to be read? Yes, Rakib, read code today's thought of the day.
ओके सर। I have always imagined that paradise will be a kind of library.
Kind of the library. Okay, I have always imagined that a paradise will be a kind of library. Okay, okay, now let's check further on my dear. Check that point we have done. Take the circular piece of wood, place screen on the side of the wooden piece or position the wooden piece in the front of the wall and throw light on the wooden piece. with the help of torch. Now the surface of the wooden piece must be parallel to the surface of the screen or wall. Slash is over there. What do you find on the screen? Do you see a dark patch? Is the light from the torch reading on the every part of the screen? Okay. Now, if not, then on which area is the light getting blocked and what is the blocking the light? Is there any space being from on the screen? Now switch off the light. Can you still see the dark patch on screen? Now switch on the torch but remove the screen.
Nope.
Okay. So check it in the last what you have completed beta.
Sir, 6 point. Now switch on the torch but remove the screen.
Rakib Mahdi. Sorry Rakib
तो
Hassan.
सिर्फ मेरी इनकम्प्लीट है ना, इसलिए मैंने 3 पॉइंट लिखे हैं ना, लिखे तो है मैंने वो
Okay,
बुक
sir,
में मैं
I
लिख
will
के
send
सेंड
you.
कर।
Okay, so note down that 3 points now further. Chalo.
ओके सर, सर मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया है।
ले लिया है. Okay, good. So after completing this lecture, you have to note down, no, beta?
सर ये 6 ही है,
So that,
मतलब 6 का इतना स्क्रीन तक ही है ना।
हाँ बेटा.
ओके सर।
Okay. So now we have to write the further. We have to complete this experiment. Okay, what we have to complete, beta? We have to complete the experiment. Okay. See again, I'm going to be it. Study the how the shadows are formed. Means what? Shadows कैसे create होता है? शेडो कैसे फॉर्म होता है वो हमें चेक करना है. Okay. And now one more thing I'm going to be telling you, dear. Now the 15 August will come. What? 15 August will come. So those who are interested for the participate in that activity is drawing activity. Then after there is a fancy dress competition. Okay. If would you like anything, so you have to participate in that and that what event. Okay,
डिबेट
now we have to
सर,
go on
वेन
further.
सर व्हेन इज इट
हाँ बेटा.
डिबेट?
What?
सर डिबेट कब है?
डिबेट नहीं है बेटा, ड्राइंग कंपटीशन और मैंने क्या बोला, फ्री
ड्रेस
फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन. डिबेट नहीं है. मे बी
कब?
आई विल सेंड दैट पोस्ट टू यू एंड यू चेक इट. You are interested for that event, so you took the part.
ओके सर।
Okay, you have to take in the part, beta. If you are interested, okay, and the morum is going on, so you have to check. That time you are free, but that session is on the morning. So in the morning you all are free, beta. So try to take part, okay?
यस सर, आई विल।
Okay, inshallah, you must be try it. Okay. So now the note down the 7 point. Do you my screen is there, beta? Do you
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
still see the dark patch on the screen? Means the question is asking for us. Chalo. Now the eighth point. Repeat, re, re, repeat the above. Repeat the above steps. Above the steps. First, using a sheet of tracing tracing paper and then 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 transparent transparent glass sheet in the place of the wooden disc disc and record your observations. Chalo, note down the 8th point, beta. And now, the last point is what? The last point is compare the observation made by you in all the three cases. I'm writing here the point number 9. Compare compare the observations made by made by you in all the three cases. Note down the 9th point, chalo beta. And those who have to left 7th and 8th, tell me. So we'll write that point first, okay? And
Sir, 8 is
observation is
left.
two. Huh, beta?
8 is left. 8 point.
Okay, so first of all, note down the 8th point, chalo. And observation is too large, huh? Means in observation, have how many points? 6 points. And conclusion have 3 points. So do it fast, all.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई। सर आपकी स्क्रीन चली
Yes, sir, आपकी screen चली गई.
हाँ बेटा, wait, I know. Now it's coming now.
No, sir.
नो सर
Wait, so
Yes, sir. No. Yes,
now
sir.
it's
Now.
coming now.
यस सर कमिंग
Okay, so we start writing those who have left. When you complete your answer, tell me, beta, we have to move on further.
सर जस्ट अ मिनट लगा किए
Okay, beta, no problem.
Sir, finish.
Yeah, beta?
Sir, 8 point written.
Okay, very good.
सर व्हाट मींट बाय mere
What?
सर आपने जो नंबर 9 में मेर लिखा है वो।
क्या लिखा है?
नंबर 9 में कंपेयर द ऑब्जर्वेशन मेड बाय यू लिखा है आपने, तो वो उसका
Okay,
मीनिंग।
made by. Sorry, yo. I am writing that again. Thank you for telling me, beta. Made by. I am writing the 9 point again. Compare the observations made by you in all the three cases. चलो, done now.
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Written.
Okay, beta. Those who are writing, beta, do it fast. Done, beta. All of you, Ayaz, Vidya, Sheikh, Ars, Lakhani, Hasan.
Sir, Kapasi Hassan, right.
Okay, beta.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mohammad Safiq.
Sir, Mohammed Shafiq nahi, Farhan Ali Merchant.
हाँ बोल मर्चन.
Sir, your screen is not present.
Beta, check it. My screen is over there.
No, sir, your screen is not there.
Not there. Sir, your screen is there only.
बेटा एक काम कर मर्चन फरहान अली
Yes, sir.
मीटिंग में से लेफ्ट और फिर से रीजॉइन हो.
Okay, sir.
ओके बेटा आई एम वेटिंग. हाँ डू इट फास्ट. Now we can start the observation, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now your screen is present.
Okay, beta. Okay, good.
Sir, after this observation is there, no? Observation.
हाँ बेटा. Observation is that. Okay, now what do we observe? What do we?
सर ये ऑब्जर्वेशन है।
Yes, beta. What do we observe? Okay, note down the observation, beta.
तो लेकिन अगर
Okay.
बार तुम ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखते हैं ना, लेकिन इस बार व्हाट डू वी ऑब्जर्व।
अलग दिखा. What do we means what we do. We are going to be observed in that experiment.
ओके सर।
चलो 3 नहीं बट इसमें कितना पॉइंट है? 6 पॉइंट है. आज के लेक्चर में बेटा 2 ही कंप्लीट होंगे. ओके So note down the two points.
सर थोड़ा जोर से
Well,
बोलिए ना तो आप रीड करो तब हम लिख डाले.
okay, chalo. When the light is thrown, when the light is thrown, I'll give you time, but beta sir, thrown on the wooden wooden piece with a screen behind it behind it wall wall of the wall of the screen does not light up, not light light up. Chalo, done here the first point. Chalo.
Yes sir, finish.
Done better now the further point. The circular. Okay, we write that next point in that further. The circular the circular wooden piece is blocking the light from falling on a certain area on the screen. Hence, hence forming a dark patch on the screen. Chalo, note down that point, the second point. Do it fast all. Now done beta, take the screenshot and we're going to be complete in the next lecture because of I have to go to in next lecture beta, okay?
Okay sir.
Understood what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, chalo. Okay, so now all my dear students, goodbye, Khudafiz all. Have a nice
Khudafiz
day
sir.
to you all. Khudafiz beta.
Khudafiz, sir.
Have a nice day sir.
Khudafiz all.
Sir, that is last now that forming a dark patch